Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to reset the water filter light on the Frigidaire fridge. So in order to do it, you need to look around on that control near the light usually, and there should be a reset button. You need to press and hold that button for about 8 seconds and the light will go out. That will reset the counter. If that doesn't work, please look in the fresh food section in the model sticker near the top on the wall, and you just have to give the sticker to this person so that he could tell you the reset button for that particular model. So first you just have to try to find the reset button, and then you just have to press and hold that for 8 seconds and it will reset your Frigidaire fridge. Now if that doesn't work, you can just come to frigidaire.com, and over here you can just click on this message icon in the bottom right hand corner and select the option of message us. Over here you can type the problem that you are facing, and you can directly talk with an agent from Frigidaire and they can help you with this reset. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.